Albanian cuisine is a delightful blend of flavors, colors, and aromas that reflect the country's rich history and cultural diversity. The beauty of Albanian cuisine lies not only in its delicious flavors, but also in the way it celebrates fresh and local ingredients. It boasts a rich variety of spices and herbs that add depth and complexity to its dishes. The use of fresh herbs like mint, dill, and cilantro enhances the flavors of salads and traditional dips like their famous ayva. The renowned Albanian olive oil produced from centuries-old olive groves is a staple in the cuisine, bringing richness and flavor to countless recipes. Exploring the flavors of Albanian food is like embarking on a culinary journey through time that creates a truly unforgettable dining experience.